आज हम लोगों का जो टारगेट है, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द 13 क्वेश्चंस ऑफ यूपीएससी सिविल सर्विस मींस 2023 from GS Economy, and question is clear. What are the main bottlenecks in upstream and downstream process of marketing of agriculture products in India? Answer in 250 words. First, I will discuss the content of these questions. After then, I will organize and try to clear you how you can sum up your answer within word limit 250 and time limit 10 minutes. First, you go through the questions. What are the main bottlenecks? Main bottlenecks in upstream and downstream process of marketing of agriculture. The key point of this question is clear. That is key point. Upstream and downstream. Up and downstream process of agriculture marketing. Agriculture marketing. After clear this point, you have to clear yourself about the two words upstream and downstream. Downstream. Student, upstream means production, which is related to the problem of production means farmer. In agriculture marketing, what are the major problem related to our farmers? Similarly, downstream means infrastructure. Agriculture marketing infrastructure. Marketing infrastructure, that is the problem of downstream. Now, point is clear. What you will elaborate the problem related to marketing? First problem. Just to go through the structure of agricultural land distribution, you will classify all the farmers in three category: big farmer, small and marginal farmer, medium farmer, small farmer and marginal. There are the three category of farmers. These two category, that is small farmer and marginal. Marginal farmer are holding 77% of total agriculture land. Big farmer are holding 6%. Rest of the 17% holding by the small farmer. And these small and medium farmers are very poor. Only the big farmer, 6% farmer are the affluent. And what is the basic problem? Capital deficiency with these farmer. Then what happened? If you consider overall, means a number of farmer doesn't have storage capacity, means they doesn't have their own warehouse so that they can get the better price of their crop. But generally what they do, at the time of harvesting, when the supply of food article in the market is more, price automatically is very low, and when they sell out at the time of harvesting, they will get the minimum profits, minimum price of their crop, lack of storage capacity, etc. That is the one major problem related to upstream of the agriculture marketing. Second problem, lack of fund. They are the poor. Our farmers are poor. That is the second problem. Means our farmer can't wait and watch for the better price. If they store their crop, I quote you a simple crop, that is say mustard. In April, the price of mustard is minimum, but in December, the price of mustard is very high. And that kinds of benefits of crop you will see in all kinds of crop. It may be Rabi or Kharif, which is maximize the profits of traders rather than our farmer. Our government tried to do many reforms like Model Act 2023, but unfortunately, our farmer are not understanding the importance of that kinds of reform in agriculture. Future trading also started by the government in 1999 by the establishment of commodity exchange in Bombay, but unfortunately due to lack of education, that is the third problem, lack of education or lack of knowledge regarding agriculture marketing. Similarly, as you know, our Prime Minister of India started Digital India. Under Digital India, number of reform done by the government last 3 years, if I quote you, primarily ENAM, Electronic National Agriculture Marketing, then blockchain technology in agriculture, and recently what? Drone system in agriculture, and that kinds of facility are not availing by our these kinds of small, medium, very marginal farmer. Only big farmer, affluent farmer are utilizing that kinds of technology. If they have the adequate data, if they have the adequate facility of that kinds of technology, they can get the better price of their crop. That is also the problem of farmers or upstream marketing problem in agriculture. Fourth major problem is what? Generally, lack of transportation mean lack of market information. Farmers sell out their crop to local money lender come trader. Why? Lack of credit facility. Fifth one is lack of credit facility. All problems are related to each other. Credit facility. If our farmers are availing the organized credit facility as under 1998 government started Kisan Credit Card, under which government are providing the credit to the farmer at a minimum rate of interest 3% if they refund their debt on time. That is the minimum. But lack of information, lack of knowledge about that kinds of facility, farmers are not availing that kinds of facility. That is also the major problem in upstream agriculture marketing. Other similar problems are, I code you one by one, that is like lack of transportation mean, lack of market related technologies which is available, internet facilities to search out the market, better destinations of the market. They are not searching that kinds of things in the economy. Ultimately, they are not getting the adequate benefits of their crop. These are the problem related to upstream agriculture marketing. Similarly, downstream, yet our government also doing to sort out of these kinds of problem, but there are a number of downstream problems in agriculture marketing. First, lack of cold storage, lack of warehousing. If I code you, in present Food Corporation of India, agriculture cooperative societies, government in itself have the warehousing facilities, cold storage facilities, but all these facilities, even if I include fourth one, private sector storage capacities, cold storage facilities, they are not sufficient. Round about 10 to 20% production of agriculture produce waste every year. That is lack of storage and cold storage facility. Warehousing and cold storage facility. Second, lack of good quality road. Lack of good quality road. That is also the major problem. In some drought area where farmers are not capable to take their crop up to the market, they are selling their produce at a very minimum price. That is also the basic problem. Similarly, logistics chain problem. Logistics deficiency also responsible for that kinds of bottleneck in our agriculture marketing. And similarly, other problem what's the lack of digital infrastructure. Digital infrastructure. Yet our government started a number of schemes for the development of agriculture marketing through digital mean, but deficiency of internet facilities, as I code you in my previous lecture, in present 87.6% is the teledensity, and round about 80% people are using the internet facility, but the speed of internet is not according to our requirement. That is the deficiency of digital infrastructure, which is creating hurdles in the implementations of agriculture marketing effectively. And other major problems is what? Lack of credit. Lack of credit facilities. Till now, more than 50% of our farmers are managing credit facility through unorganized sector, that is local money lender come trader, because of lack of knowledge, because of lack of interest of our commercial bank, cooperative bank to give the loan to the farmer. What they are thinking, these farmers are not going to pay timely and they will lapse their debt. In this way, non-performing assets will increasing. But recently, our government motivating the commercial bank, cooperative bank, agriculture bank by funding them, by establishing different kinds of funds under Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, under Amrit Kal Mahotsav, government are motivating the organized credit to facilitate the credit facility to farmers so that we can minimize that kinds of constraints in the agriculture marketing. But further government also doing better, but presently these are the major problem which are faced by our farmer. Now student, you are clear what are the main bottleneck upstream and downstream in the process of agriculture marketing. Now you can write your answer effectively. What will be the structure? Again, you should divide your questions in three parts: introduction, and use only 25 words in your introduction; expansion, use only 200 words in your expansion by dividing the expansion; and then conclusion, use only 25 words in your conclusion. Expansion you will classify in two part: part 1, part 2, that is upstream problem of agriculture marketing, 2 downstream problem of agriculture marketing. One by one, if you are using 100 word in upstream, elaborate 5 point which I discussed shortly: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 point. Downstream 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 point. In this way you can summarize your answer within the time limit and try to write down up to 25 words per minute. If you do that exercise and conclude finally, despite our all effort done on behalf of government under triple P model, cooperative societies in itself, Food Corporation of India in itself, government policies itself, but till now we are facing that kinds of problem. We have to go further for the eliminations of all these kinds of bottleneck in our agriculture marketing to achieving the target of doubling income of our farmer. In this way, student, you can summarize and finally what you will say. In this way, we will achieve the target of developed India, which is our present target as decided our Prime Minister for the 2047. Now you are clear. For the further assistance, as I priorly discussed, you can go through our YouTube channel, the Economica IAS, or you can go through our WhatsApp number 9999237051. If you have some need regarding classes, you can also join our classes online and offline in hybrid mode, and I will further proceed this lecture next my series. Carry on. If you like and give any kind of suggestion, you can do that one on our YouTube channel. If you are interested and try to find out it better, please subscribe it. Thank you.